Alright, so welcome to the addition strategies. We're looking at standard algorithm, and I'm going to just call this one a standard algorithm because it's by no means the only algorithm that you could possibly learn. Depending on where in the world you are, the standard algorithm looks different. So the one here that we're teaching and we learn here is, the way my parents learned. A lot of parents learn this, so let's go and take a look at it. Okay, so we have our two add-ins, 874 plus 486. Now, again, on this particular algorithm, it depends on how each person sees the problem. Is it the only way to solve an addition problem? Absolutely not. Some people will not use the American algorithm for this solution because they think it's maybe easier to use a different solution. That's fine, but we will work this algorithm, the standard algorithm, on this problem. You could use, again, any addition strategy you choose. The most important thing is really identifying for yourself what strategy is appropriate for what problem. That's a little bit trickier, and we'll kind of, in maybe later lessons, we'll look at different addition problems and try to decide what strategy is most appropriate for the problem we've been given. Now, with this strategy, it's very important that you place your carries. In some of the other strategies I showed you, placing your carries is not important, but in this one, it definitely is. So when you look at this one, we add the 4 plus the 6, that'll give us 10. We have to carry our one group of 10 and put it in the 10 spot. 80 plus 70 plus 10 is 160. And I can't put my 160 down. I have to put my one group of 100 in the hundreds place. 100 plus 800 plus 400. So that gives me 1,360 as my total answer. Again, you can see where I placed my carries in the appropriate place values. If this is a difficult strategy for you, please go back and use partial products where you work it from either the left or the right and you don't have to worry about the carries. It's easier to see how you get your answer. Okay, our next addition problem is 8,429 plus 3,764. I'll work it through very quickly for you. Please follow along. 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry my one group of 10. Leave my 3. 60, 20, and 10 is 90. I don't carry anything because I won't have anything in the hundreds place value, so I just write my 9 down. And then I have the 700 plus the 400. So 400 plus 700 equals 1,100. Leave my 100 in the hundred spot. Carry my 1,000 into the thousand spot. So then I have 8,000 plus 3,000 plus 1,000. So then I have 12,000. If I add those 800, 300 plus 8,000, 3,000 plus 1,000 up equals 12,000. My whole answer is 12,193. Okay, so the problem you're going to solve for yourself. If you have any questions, watch the video again. If you have questions after that, make sure you get a hold of a teacher. 7,899 plus 6,348. Thank you. Thanks for listening.